When programming, there are always all types of errors. In this video, let's talk about the 10 most common errors in programming. Using the wrong data type. In this example, I'm declaring variable type float, but I wrote it wrong. There are two possible solutions. Remember, to declare float, you must type the suffix f. The second solution can be changing the type from float to double. Naming variables with reserved keywords. There exists a list of these reserved names that you cannot name your variables. There is a link in the description to check the list. Converting variables. C# can implicitly convert some types to others, but sometimes this is not the case because they are not compatible, or you may lose some information. For example, an int can be converted to a double because no data is lost in the conversion, but a string cannot be converted to an int unless you write some methods for conversion. In this division, we have an integer named employees, double named money, and another integer named result, which is dividing the first two variables, but this division will throw an error because a double cannot convert it to an integer. Decimal number cannot be converted to a whole number. So the solution would be declaring the variable named result a double. The most common type of errors are syntax errors. There are so many, like missing semicolon, missing parentheses, or missing brackets. Fortunately, most text editors will let you know of these mistakes while you're typing your code. Arithmetic errors. These are present when there is mathematical operations. Most common is a division by a zero. In this example, the division won't have any problem with any number unless the second variable is a zero. With a few more lines, we can protect the program against this error. Now, when we have a zero in the second variable, nothing will happen. Infinite looping. The program may start working fine, but when using a while loop, you have to be careful to make sure you can exit from the loop because it could keep running indefinitely and make your computer to crash. Logic errors. Finally, you finish typing your code and apparently there are no errors. But when you try to run your code, it doesn't work the way you want. Take your time to think and figure out what you need to change in your code. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Actually, you will make a lot of mistakes. Most programmers spend more time solving problems than writing new lines of code. Thanks for watching.